The exclusive hybrid technology of Turtle Wax's Ice Snow Foam Wash combines ultra-rich foam conditioners with biodegradable detergents, safely cleaning and preserving paint finishes. Its environmentally friendly formula can be applied to vehicles in two different fashions, by traditional bucket hand washing and via the use of a hose-attached foam sprayer. For a traditional hand wash, start by adding roughly 1 ounce of ice snow foam concentrate per 1 gallon of water to be used in your soap bucket. Fill the bucket with a strong stream of water to agitate the mixture and create soapy suds. Using a microfiber wash mitt, wipe the vehicle from top to bottom, section by section, periodically returning to your rinse and soap buckets to refresh the wash mitt. Once a large section or the entire vehicle has been wiped, simply rinse the suds away and towel dry. For use with a hose-attached foam sprayer, mix roughly 1 ounce of ice snow foam wash per 16 ounces of water. But for even richer foam, double or triple the amount of snow foam wash you add to the sprayer. Attach the reservoir to the nozzle and shake to mix the soapy solution. Once ready to spray, apply the ice snow foam liberally to the vehicle from top to bottom, coating either the entire car or large sections at a time. The super foaming formula with pH-balanced cleaners won't strip waxes and sealants, has a pleasant bubblegum scent, and provides a long dwell time, keeping your soap suds active longer. From here, use a wet and/or soapy microfiber wash mitt to gently agitate the sprayed foam, removing dirt on exterior surfaces. Periodically refresh the microfiber mitt in a rinse bucket from section to section, and once finished wiping the applied snow foam, rinse the suds away thoroughly and towel dry the vehicle. Turtle Wax Ice line's original formulas and state-of-the-art hybrid innovations offer solutions for all premium car care needs. Designed to set the standard for residulous wax and high shine, the Ice line continues to evolve, raising the bar even higher in the car care industry.